Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn rational expressions and equations together step by step. A rational expression is one polynomial divided by another. To simplify, factor the top and bottom, then cancel shared factors. Here x squared minus 9 factors into x minus 3 times x plus 3, and the bottom into x plus 1 times x plus 3. The x plus 3 cancels, leaving x minus 3 over x plus 1. Factor first, always. Here's the trap students fall into. A denominator can never equal 0. From the original bottom, x plus 1 times x plus 3, we must exclude x equals -1 and -3. Even the factor you canceled still counts, so -3 stays banned. Always list your restrictions from the original denominator before you cancel anything. To multiply rational expressions, multiply straight across, then simplify. Take 2x over 5 times 15 over x squared. The top is 2x times 15, the bottom is 5 times x squared. That gives 30x over 5x squared. Cancel a 5 and an x, and you get 6 over x, with x not equal to 0. Multiply, then trim. To solve a rational equation, clear the fractions. For 3 over x plus 1/2 equals 2 over x. Multiply every term by 2x. That gives 6 plus x equals 4. Subtract 6, and x equals -2. Quickly check it doesn't make a denominator 0. -2 is fine, so it's a valid solution. Clearing denominators turns it into easy algebra. Let's wrap up. Factor the numerator and denominator, list every restriction where the bottom would be 0, then cancel common factors. To solve an equation, multiply through by the least common denominator and check your answer against the restrictions. Stay alert to those forbidden values, and rational expressions become totally manageable. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.